Alright, so this is more or less just a test for me. Test out the camera and see how it's gonna do on the layout of my video. So this is just gonna be a quick test. So I'm gonna try to remove my signal blocks that are glued down to the foam. I've already pre-sprayed them just a couple of minutes ago, so I'm going to spray them again. This is just some pretty warm hot water with some soap in it. So I don't really care if I tear up the foam board too much, but I just want to see if I can get this up without tearing it up too much. And that one came out pretty good. Feed these wires up. There's one. There's one. I call it spider wire. Really thin wire. Pretty good. I don't have these connected underneath. And there we go. Easy peasy. Didn't tear up my foam board, which really wasn't an issue, but like I said, this was a test for the camera and for me to see if I could get these out without damaging them. And there we go. 4 signal blocks. Wires ready to go to be connected to power whenever I'm ready. And that's it. I don't think I'm going to start tearing up the track today, but that may change. Things can always change with me because you just never know. But I've been talking to Leo about my track issues as far as plans, and I've talked to Stephen Turner quite a bit in the past about doing some things, so I'm just not sure exactly on my layout that I'm going to do, but my focus right now is to get this track up. It's not really glued down per se. It's got a couple of spots here and there that are glued, but the whole track itself is not really completely glued. So But I gotta get the track up, and then these boards aren't glued or anything, and I did that for a reason, because I knew there may be a time down the road where I may change my mind and just place the track directly on the plywood. I'm not gonna do cork, bed or anything like that. It's just extra work for me, and I personally just don't like it. I just don't like the way it looks. Do I plan to do ballast down the road? That's something that I've been thinking about off and on. And I've come to the conclusion that I will probably, more than likely, 99% sure, do ballast. The color aspect is something I got to think about. I'll be going with Arizona Rock Company for the ballast. I have to look on the computer to get some better images of it. I was looking on my phone about a month, 2 months ago, and it was just hard for me to get some ideas on that. So, but this is where I'm at for now. So this is my first video for my camera, first video on my camera for the layout. So we'll see what happens. And I appreciate your time. Thanks.